Audits are essential, but managing them manually can be complex, time-consuming, and prone to errors. What if there was a smarter way? Introducing AI Audit View, an AI-powered audit management solution that simplifies the entire audit process. Let's walk through the key roles and features that make this software perfect for auditors, audit managers, and auditees alike. First, let's talk about the audit manager. As the admin, the audit manager has full control over the audit process. They start by setting up the audit organization or corporate office for the system, giving details of responsible person, email and phone. He enters the departments to be audited, the auditees, and their contact details. Next, the audit manager creates risk profiles with description and consequences. Risk rating is populated automatically based on risk impact and probabilities. Control measures and residual ratings are defined and specific risks to companies and departments are assigned, thereby completing the risk profiling of companies. Finally, he sets up auditor details, defining their name, email, contact number, and expertise. The auditor's expertise and vacation schedules ensures the selection of most appropriate auditor available during planned dates. All this is a one-time effort, editable at any time later. Planning the audit is very easy using the software. Audit manager selects the company and then select for the department to be audited. He chooses the dates of audit and populates the list of available auditors. He selects the lead auditor and if required a support auditor. He then views the plan for the department and uploads the same. Similarly, he can plan the audit schedule for all the department within the company and so for the other companies. He can view the overall plan and modify, as and when required. With all of this, the audit manager ensures the entire audit process runs smoothly. Let's go through the audit flow briefly. The auditor conducts the audit and generates a draft report. The auditee reviews the report, write the root cause of non-compliances, if any, and then auditor perform re-audit. If everything is found alright, he closes the audit report. In case the auditee has comments on the draft report, he can review and give his comments. Auditor modifies the draft report accordingly, upload the same, and send back to auditee to write the root cause of non-compliances, if any. Auditor then perform re-audit. If some findings are not attended properly, he gives his comments and keep the report open until satisfactory closure of findings. Based on the preceding audit flow, let's now dive into the auditor's role. Auditors receive their audit schedules from the audit manager through system and email. They can request auditees to submit pre-audit documents through the system to make the audit process smoother and faster. Once the documents are received, auditors review them before or during the audit. Auditors perform the audit according to the schedule and use the software's AI tool to help write detailed audit reports. Once the draft report is ready, it's sent to the auditee for review. If the auditee has comments, the auditor can modify the report accordingly. When the auditee sends back the root cause analysis and proposed actions along with planned completion date, the auditor re-audits the department and checks for any remaining non-compliances. If the non-compliances are addressed, the auditor fills in the findings with objective evidence and closes the report. If not, the auditor sends the report for re-audit, attaching evidence where necessary. Next, let's look at the auditee's role. The auditee receives the audit schedule from the audit manager via system and email. They submit the requested pre-audit documents as per the auditor's request. Once the audit is completed, the auditee receives the draft report. If they have any comments, the report goes back to the auditor. If there is no comment, the auditee fills in the root cause, remedial and corrective actions, giving tentative completion dates. If everything is in order and no open findings remain, the auditee gets a closure report. If there are open findings, he gets an open report and he need to reply and re-audit is scheduled. The cycle continues until all non-compliances are addressed. Throughout the audit process, you can gain valuable insights through various analytics. These include risk analysis, unattended critical risks, non-compliance tracking, open non-compliance with their aging, reports awaiting reply and closures, and much more. These real-time reports help both auditor and auditee organizations stay on top of audit process and make data-driven decisions. With this powerful audit software, managing audits has never been easier. From audit managers to auditors and auditees, everyone can stay organized, save time, and improve the audit process. No more searching for the files and papers, no more signatures or lost documents, no more follow-ups, and no communication gaps. Get started today and experience the future of auditing.